Hello, and welcome to Profitolizer. Let us show you the chart of P&L graph. After logging in, you will see this graph. In Profitolizer, the P&L, profit and loss graph provides a visual representation of your business's financial performance over time. It shows key financial data such as total revenue, total costs, gross profit, and net income. By displaying these metrics in a graphical format, the P&L graph helps businesses quickly assess trends in profitability, track financial progress, and make informed decisions based on their financial outcomes. First, the accumulative loans and P&L accumulative are displayed. You can track your accumulative loans ending in September 2025, while the P&L accumulative shows a gradual increase over time. After that, our loan repayments began and the bank balance started to increase. Next, the cash flow accumulative, and loan return graphs are displayed. Then, the expenses graph shows no significant changes. In the following graphs, we can see product cost, revenue, total expenses, investment, and P&L. The latest profit is gradually increasing, showing a trend towards profitability. Thank you for watching this video.